Hey everyone, Warren Navarro here, COO of EV Initiative. And today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to program a charger purchased from evinitiative.shop. Today, we're at a multifamily building. We have a public EV charging deployment powered by the EV Initiative charging network. AC chargers, and more than one AC charger in multiple locations. And I'm going to show you the process to connecting one of the Autel, and this is going to be the process for programming the Autel charger specifically to the EV Initiative cloud. So the first step is actually quite easy. You're going to take out your cell phone, and the first step is going to be to go to the App Store and download the Autel EV charging app. Once you have the app on your phone and you create an account and you're logged in, you're going to have to go to add a charger manually to connect to a charging station, connect to a charger specifically. So when you buy a charger out of the box, do not throw away the manual that comes with the box, because each charging station specifically comes with its own QR code that has a PIN number and its serial number. And this PIN number is going to get you into the charger that you're programming, so that way you can connect and link to it. So I'm linking to the charger right now. The first time you connect to the charger via Bluetooth, make sure your Bluetooth is on. You'll have to pair the charger to your phone. The first thing it will do is ask you to connect to a nearby Wi-Fi. We have a lot of Wi-Fi networks open. I'm actually going to skip this process. You can choose to connect to a Wi-Fi network, but let's skip it because I'm going to program this 4G model. As you can see, it lives outside in the open. This charger is actually going to connect to the internet just like your cell phone. So my phone has a SIM card, and so does this charger. Each one of these chargers have its own SIM for redundancy. So just in case, this individual charger will be connecting and speaking to the cloud continuously. As you can see within the app, there's a list of options. We're going to focus on the OCPP server, but I'm not going to touch that right off the bat. The first thing I'm going to do is click my charger, the charger itself, and here's where you can add the Wi-Fi connection if you feel like it. But I'm going to program the APN. We have partnered with Once on this deployment, as in NCE.com, and we encourage our partners to set up their own account. They'll be able to manage their data. Really good deal. And they're made specifically for IoT devices, and EV chargers an IoT device. And the plans are great. So once you insert the SIM, and this is a multi-carrier SIM, so it connects to Verizon, AT&T, whatever's nearby, and gives it a strong signal. But you do have to program this APN inside the charger to speak to Once. So as you can see on my screen, I've added the APN. I've left everything else the same. I just click OK, and it saves the information. And then I'll go back to program the OCPP server. I've already programmed our cloud in. You'll see a list of other clouds in there, but you can add a custom URL. And when you add the custom URL, you're only going to insert up until your tenant ID, which ours is EVI. You'll see the charger ID, which for this model is the serial number, which can also be found on the side of the charger. And it's also in the booklet, which you scanned on that QR code, serial number there, but that unique PIN is really important because that's how you connect to that charger specifically. That's how you link to it. Once you have, and also when you first connect to it, you do not have to add the charger ID with this model. Just leave it blank. It will automatically fill it out for you. Unless you want to add something custom, we've programmed this to connect to the serial number as its charger ID. Click connect, and it will connect to the OCPP cloud. I've already done that. So once you can verify that connection on the back end. As you can see, it's in communication right now, providing heartbeats and charger logs. It's given the boot notification, as in it's reconnected, it's turned on, powered on, and the communication process has started up and will continue on essentially forever, as that's the OCPP communication, as we're constantly asking it for a status notification. What are you doing right now? The charger says, I'm doing nothing, I'm waiting for a charge. Someone's plugged in, someone's charging right now, and you have all that information real time status, They're paying for a charge that you set the price on, and this building, their bank account's also connected for the payments to be all automated, so that way the driver gets what they're looking for, which is a charge. They get some extra benefits using the EV Initiative app. They can earn points for their charge session, redeem coupons, and a lot more, manage their previous sessions. All this value is there for the drivers, as they interact with the charging stations that we've deployed, that you're deploying through us on the EV Initiative charging network. So it's a quick lesson for the EV business builders. Actually, this charger is ready for use right now, and I can plug in my car, start a charge, and pay for it. It's that easy. And yeah, Warren Navarro, COO of EV Initiative. Please join me for another one. For all the EV business builders out there, I'm excited to continue supporting your efforts. And together we're going to change the future as we build out the infrastructure that will last and be enjoyed by millions of people. You'll see.
EV Initiative, enabling the next generation.